In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to secretly record with your iPhone screen turned off. So first click settings, then you want to scroll down to camera, then you want to click preserve settings, then you want to turn on camera mode. Go out of settings, click once on your power button to enable Siri, and then ask her to turn on voiceover. Turn on voiceover. Once you're here, then you want to go down and just swipe Siri off, then turn on silent mode and turn Siri all the way down. Then once you're here, click camera, then you can start your recording. Then once you're here, you want to click your 3 fingers on your phone and then it turns it off. So now it is turned off. So as you can see, it's turned off, but it's still actually recording. So to turn it back on, tap your 3 fingers on your phone again. There we go, and there we go. Now we can click and turn off the thing. But if I go in the video, it recorded this entire thing. So you can still screen record with your phone off. So to turn it off, then you just want to hold Siri, turn off voiceover. Then it will turn off voiceover and then you're chilling. So now I'm going to stop the recording, and that is exactly how you record with your iPhone screen turned off. Subscribe.